Hello everyone, welcome to TechTweets YouTube channel. In today's video, let me show you how to download Capcut for your PC. You guys already know you can use Capcut in your PC, so let me show you how to download this. You need to go to the Capcut official website, otherwise you can simply write here Capcut download for PC. If you write Capcut download for PC in Google, you will find the link of the Capcut official website. You can see free professional desktop video editor. Just click on the link and you will find that page, and now you need to download for Windows. So click here and you can see 500 MB the file is downloading. You need to download and install this software as like any other software. So when you install, if you finish install, you will see the Capcut like this. You can see my Capcut is already installed, and this is the opening page. So how to edit this? To edit on Capcut, you can let me make it zoom. So it's the Capcut homepage, and now if you click new project, you can see the new project screen is now opened. You can do whatever you want. You can see if you drag and drop, the file is already imported, and you can edit like your Android phone. Each and every options are available: video, audio, speed, animation, adjust. And if you already have used this Capcut software in your Android phone, then it's almost similar. It's just a desktop version. Okay, media, audio, text, stickers, effects, transitions, filter, adjustments, everything is available. Okay, and you can see you can work in a large canvas, and you can export the file in 4K up to 4K, and you can export to audio if you want. Without video, you can export only audio if you want. This is how you can use Capcut in your desktop. It's a nice software. Probably it's the most versatile software, video editing software for everyone who want to get their project ready within a few moments. I like the software. If you want to download this, you can check the description of this video, or you can simply visit Google and write Capcut download for PC. Then you can download the software for free. You can see this is the official page. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel TechTweets for more videos. I will see you in another video. Bye.